You have your Micro-Air EasyTouch thermostat, and maybe you have a few bugs with it, or it's not quite synced with your phone, or it's doing something funny. We're going to show you how to do a factory reset on that to hopefully clear out some of those issues. We're going to hit the settings gear, hit next. There's one called Reset All. We're going to press that Reset All, hit the green checkbox. That'll reset the parameters for the thermostat. After you do that, we want to go back one page and hit the restart. And when you hit the restart, it just clears everything out of there. Sometimes they get a little bit of cache buildup, and this will clear that out of there and should clear up any of those simple little issues that you have. Just note when it comes back up, everything's turned off. You got to go back in, select your modes, and turn it back on. If you have any questions, reach out to us at Hutch Mountain. Thanks.